Board the southeast. I mean, I think we think here in North Texas, Jeff, that yeah, they're going to get snow. It's going to get cold, but to that extreme.
On the East Coast, I mean, we're talking about a blizzard on the shoreline of North Carolina tonight. I mean, it's just amazing. There's going to be some of the coldest weather they have seen there in some time. Plus, it's going to be the biggest snow. It's going to wind down through the overnight hours, but places like Charlotte, North Carolina got the biggest snow they'd had in 15 years today. It was about 6 inches of snow. Needless to say, that's pretty rare to get that much snow there. But that cold air is going all the way down to Key West. They have freeze warnings over the entire state of Florida, and the lows are going to be a couple of degrees above freezing in Miami. This is going to rival the deep freeze of 1989. And if you know anyone in Florida, they talk about that freeze because it basically wiped out a huge portion of the citrus industry down there that literally never recovered. Anyway, what's ahead of us? That storm is not affecting us. We've got some cold air in place today. We ended January on a really cold note. The high barely got above freezing. That was after midnight. We spent the whole day below freezing and wind chills in the single digits all morning long. Right now it's 27 degrees. Fortunately, the winds have died down as we fall into the evening hours. As we look down into Clyde Warren Park, not a lot of people out there, and I tell you, if you're out this evening, it's going to be a cold night. No surprise there how cold the day was, but we're going to slowly drop down into the upper 20s. We've got, without that wind, we're not going to have a big dramatic drop. And we're actually going to have a south wind tomorrow because the high today was 34 degrees. Just wait a couple days, it's going to be more than 30 degrees warmer. Yeah, by Monday, we're going to be into the upper 60s. It's going to be a nice change of events after just last weekend. But I warn you now, if you're out tomorrow morning, it's a cold start. Again, we don't have the wind, so the wind chills, the feel-like temperatures will be in the teens, about where the actual temperatures were this morning. The actual temperatures tomorrow morning be in the mid-20s. And then that south wind kicks up, and man, we just jump up in temperatures. By the way, it'll be a bright moon tonight, but the full moon is tomorrow night. This is the snow moon, and it's going to rise just before 6 o'clock, and its peak luminosity is at 6:09. That's a peak full, so just as it rises, it's going to be quite the sight to the east. Anyway, Monday we're in the 60s. We had a lot of clouds, and then we got rain. This is a rain chance on Tuesday. We put it at about 20% for the Metroplex. Most of this is going to be east. That front that comes through comes in late. That's why we still get in the 60s. But even though it's cooler on Wednesday on the other side of that front with a brisk wind, we're only in the upper 50s, which was typical temperature for this time of year. Then we warm up right into the 60s again as we close the work week. So a cold morning as we start the new month in February, but it's going to be a warm week.